Hey, what's up? What's up? We got unboxing coming up right here with the F case on
Hot Wheels Collectors Hawaii.
All right, everybody. So if you like watching the videos, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell to get notifications about all new videos coming up. Right now, we're gonna get into it right here with this case, F case. As it, you know, what's so funny? There's an FU. Oh, well, there's an H in front of it. Yeah. So I thought you were trying to tell me something.
F who?
F who? Yeah, but Kelly who's cool though.
Yeah. You wouldn't F who.
Oh, we're gonna get busted.
I know. We'll probably have to.
Oh, I see a Batmobile already.
Actually, there's two, I think. Yeah.
Oh, and that's the one I don't have. I see the Scooby-Doo. Is it the Scooby-Doo?
Yes, it is.
I don't have the Scooby-Doo. I don't have the Scooby-Doo. All right.
Let's start with the first three.
Ooh, look. Ooh, that is nice. What is that? King Kuda Red. Yeah. Wow, that is nice.
Yeah, it's what's that?
Wow, that's
it says Urban Outlaw on the side.
Yeah.
Zoom in. So it's another.
That's a Magnus Walker.
Yeah, Magnus Walker. Then you have the Escort.
It's the bubblegum one, right? Or the gumball bubblegum.
Gumball.
Yeah, that's nice.
And then the other one is the Batmobile.
Yeah, that's cool. I don't even have that. I do now.
Scooby. Yep, you do now.
I do now. I got a. Oh, this is a little boss. I like the nice one.
Well, let's see what the other one looks like. Oh, look, a Bone Shaker.
That one is nice.
Cruella DeVille. Let's see the Bone Shaker real quick.
That is nice.
That is
See,
nice.
no, they're coming out with the Bone Shakers without the top.
Yeah.
Trippy, you got some with the top, you got some with. I wonder which one is worth more.
Probably the one with the top.
You think so?
I have no clue.
I thought topless was better.
Yep.
Cruella. Ooh.
So Cruella DeVille, this is a re-release from the Q case, I think. But they did those arrow wheels on this one. And another one of the Scoobies.
Yes. I think you got three in there. I see another one in there.
This one's got, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a little crease here. I can feel it, so I don't think you want that one.
Okay, hopefully that third one in there is nice.
Okay. Next, some fantasies. Well, actually, that's not, because they actually built that one, right?
Which one is that?
The HW50 content. I think this is the one that was on the.
Why does that look so familiar?
Hot Wheels, the HBO special.
Oh, okay.
And then Diaper Dragger. Yeah. And Street Wiener.
That's so weird because of a Diaper Dragger.
Yeah. Okay, more Porsches.
Alright. Oh, that
Porsche
Baja. Was that a Blazer?
No.
What is that?
Okay, let's go with the Porsche first, since it's first. Porsche 917 LH.
I was looking right past the Porsche. But I was like,
low height. Yeah, we saw. This one's a Land Rover, 2015.
I like the color. Yeah, the color is nice.
I like that color.
Can I tell it's dirty so I don't even wash cars much?
Tesla Roadster. This one has the guy in it.
Oh yeah, that's cool.
And I can see on the dashboard there's a little Hot Wheel.
Wait. What? Oh, that's the that's the space guy. Okay. I thought there was some racism there.
Alright, so another Magnus Walker.
Yeah.
Oh, these are all re-repeats, so let's move on.
Wait, how's that Batmobile? Is that Batmobile nice?
Feels like it.
Okay, I'll take that one. Oh yeah, I got a nice one. Woohoo! My Scooby-Doo.
Okay, next one, Ford Focus RS 15 Mercedes AMG GT and another Bone Shaker.
Oh, that's a nice green bar.
I just watched a YouTube video today of a show in Mexico where they're racing these off of ramps, but those in Mexico are rear drive, so you can do
oh, those rims are actually nice,
drifting and stuff.
You chrome those rims.
Okay, next one now.
Oh,
Mustang.
Mazda. I was all excited. I thought. I thought.
Cool. This one's not the Supra. You'd have a T8 in that bottom.
Well, it's nothing that a little Tampos can't fix.
Yeah. Hey, this one's been pretty popular. A heavy hitcher. A new tow truck. I think Hot Wheels didn't put out one for a little while. And then Dodge Viper SRT.
Sounded like you said Doug Viper.
Oh no.
The Batmobile's
cherry. Look at this Batmobile. Alright, so we have Bogzilla TV series Batmobile now in that flat gray again. And then zoom in. Let's go
How
look
is
at
that?
that.
How's that Batmobile?
The card is not very that great.
There's another one in there, so you can
see
have
that.
that one.
Card is kind of bent.
Since you can, oh yeah, oh look at this. The thing is even split. Look at this. Brand new, and it thinks they split like that. What the hell?
Yep.
Okay, let's hope that the other one is cool. But that one is. I like the red windshields.
Yeah,
The red windshield is cool,
I
bro.
think this is the recolor, right?
Yeah, it's a recolor, but the windshield wasn't red on the last one.
No, it wasn't. All right. There's another Batmobile,
Ooh.
Fastmaster, and another Back to the Future time machine.
Is that one
in color
nice?
mode.
Is that Batmobile nice?
Let's see. Yeah, it looks like that.
Nah,
All right, just what I needed. I just found the red.
you know, in fact, you gave me yours.
Yeah, but I found the red one. So
Yeah, I know. I saw the red one.
So rapid responder,
Whoa! Wait, Trey, let's.
custom Cadillac. Let's finish this case. 17 Jeep Wrangler. We're gonna do an opening on that one. Oh, another Ripu.
Ooh, I don't have one.
Street
Can I have
Leader
one?
and Mercedes AMG. Let's see. This one, the card's not the greatest.
Okay, we'll deal with the auto one then.
Yeah, I'll give you the worst one. I mean the best
Oh,
one.
there it is.
Yeah, it's right there. This one's not that great.
Oh, no,
Yeah.
that's okay.
Okay,
I don't
last
even have
three in the
one.
top.
Oh, this one is nice, bro.
Here's the Hot Wheeler
The hell is that?
Volkswagen SB2. Remember we opened that
Yeah, no, that, but that. What the hell is that
Skull
one? Head.
skull shaker.
Oh,
When
Yeah.
it rolls, the skull.
oh, it shakes. Oh, it makes
Hence
sense.
the name. Okay, let's see what's on the second half.
Maybe they screwed up and put the super in there.
Yeah, I can only hope. Okay, let's grab this first three out.
Well, you know, what's on one of our videos without us dropping something?
Okay, so repeat of the Tesla, the Ford Mustang GT. This is
With
the
a
Speed
speed
Blur.
blur.
This one is really nice.
You had the
And
5-pack.
Then the Porsche 911. Okay, we got a large stack going on here.
You got a fat
All
stack.
right, so another Rising Climb, another Diaper Dragger, and another.
That sounds so disgusting. Diaper dragger.
Wait,
sounds like when somebody's baby. They get so much doodle in a diaper, they never change them, and they let the kid run around and just drag it all over the house.
I'm assuming that is what it is. Oh, look at that. Yellow Momo Volkswagen Golf.
Ooh, Momo.
And then we have
Momo.
Fastmaster and Back to the Future hover mode.
Momo.
There's gonna be a lot of those, I think.
And if you drank and got all bust, it'd be Bobo.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah. VW square back.
I didn't even know there was a square back in there. And it's purple.
And Land Rover Series 3 and then another SP2.
That Land Rover look hard, yeah.
Yeah.
Like you could just pound that thing and not even gonna broke.
Well, there seems to be a lot of that Fastmaster in here. And a lot of that Tesla Roadster. And the Rising Climb.
You're donating and rotating. Oh, there's the 350.
Yep.
Not even get
300.
dumb. Is that? Oh yeah, 300.
300.
Skews.
Another Escort and another Diaper Dragger. Yay.
That's a big hint for you.
Oh, there it is. Cool Combi.
Oh, that's a nice
32
cool
Ford,
combi.
and the I Believe. Let's take a look at that cool combi. Another Magnus Walker.
That's nice.
I think I found this one on the peg, so I'm gonna.
Okay, I don't have one, so I'll take one.
And look at that.
That is freaking nice.
Flat black. That one is nice too. And then you have the rotate one. So let's rotate those. Put that one. Oh, these two. All right, look, and there's another. I never saw that one.
Ooh,
Yeah.
I can't take yours. You only got one. Damn it! Oh wait! You got another one over there.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Oh, that's
black one.
Fargin nice,
The
bro.
last one was blue, right?
Yeah, but the rims on that is gold.
Yeah, these are gold rims.
Oh,
That on the side. Okay, next three.
okay. How's the card on that
Oh
one?
yeah, look at that. Speed box.
Isn't that a
Grupo.
treasure hunt? No,
No.
I thought one of those
I
crappy
think
ones was
this
treasure
one,
hunt.
the treasure hunt, is the Humvee, I think.
Oh,
Another 911, 71 Porsche. Okay, so okay, another heavy hitcher, another
And the
Porsche. It's 917 and the rip rod. Did they have one called the rip off? Oh look, there's another 32 Ford.
Smells like it.
Mountain Mauler and Hover Storm.
Oh, the thing is that actually tracks? Oh yeah. No.
It's a hovercraft.
Oh, it's a hovercraft. Okay.
Yeah. That would be cool if there was one with tracks. Okay, last three. Oh,
All right. There's my Chevy. Yeah.
There it is. And another Mustang. Wow.
See, this is so awesome. I don't even get to, cruise at the store for like 9 hours. You can just buy them right here.
All right, so that is the F case.
Look how nice that is. Freaking awesome. Look at that. Bang.
And I think the highlights in this one are, I think this is the first one, right? With the Mazda repool.
Yeah.
Because this is supposed to be the Super in this case. But I don't have that yet. And what was it? I think it was the Batmobile.
Yeah.
The other one from this case, but I don't know where it is. I lost it.
No, you bury them right over there?
Yeah, I know. It's like all the way in. So, yeah, so we'll close out this video like this. Mazda repool. We're going to do a cracking open video next and a comparisons coming up.
All right, so don't forget to like and share the video with all your friends, not just one of them now. Like all of them. Like call them all up and just share the video, okay? And for all you new viewers out there, check out our end screens where you see all kinds of links to our previous videos and videos that YouTube think that you might like. But you know what? We get ones that we think you should watch. So go check that out. We are
Hot Wheels Collectors. Hoy.